Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Well, we're back. You know, I've been wanting to get that patio and the rug pressure washed. Well, here's something else I need to show you. We have so many trees in the yard that all the raking that I do, sometimes it feels like I'm not doing anything. Well, the issue is, if I don't rake up some of those leaves, what happens is when we do have rain in between, the leaves become so heavy and wet, and it keeps everything very moist for a long period of time. Doesn't help at all, because then we see a lot more of unwanted creatures. Anyway, so let me give you a quick look on how things are looking right now. So as you can see, all the leaves that I raked a little while ago, it's actually a couple of days ago, they're all back. Well, just about all back. And but I really need to get this all cleaned up and looking pretty fresh, because we do like to come and sit by the fire on those cold or chilly nights, and sometimes watch a movie or stuff. So let's see about getting this pressure washed. All right, as you can see, the shed is a mess. I didn't leave it this way before, so not looking too good right now. So what I decided to do is start with a little cleanup first, raking a little bit of the leaves, and then I'll get the pressure washer going. I'm hearing that there's a little problem with the pressure washer, but I'm hoping that I can use it and get things going. All right, so here's my situation here. This table, love this table. Love, love, love. It was given to us, and I would like to preserve it, but it's extremely heavy. So I'm thinking I may have to go around it. I don't know how much I can get done, but if I can get this somewhat clean, I'd be ecstatically happy. So let's see what happens. Wanted to give you a closer look at this table. I absolutely love it, but there is some repairs that needs to be done to it. Maybe I can do a video on that. That'd be great. As you can see right here, and of course right here. But I love this table, but it's very, very heavy. All right, I showed you the table, but I didn't give you a closer look to this catastrophe over here. Ooh, not too good, not good at all. We're gonna do our best. I'm gonna do my very best in getting most of this out, and I know it can be quite satisfying. So we'll see. So we got the pressure washer out, and now we just need to know what we're gonna use to clean all this up. Well, we'll see. Well, this is all I have, so I have nothing else. I mean, the paint thing is gonna be. This might take forever. Let me show you what I'm dealing with here. I'm gonna have to stop because this is a bit much. I think I need to rent a power washer because the one we have, the nozzle is taking awfully long for me to do what I need to do. So let's see what I've done so far. So this is where I started. It looked like this before, and this is what I have done thus far, including a little bit of the carpet. As you can see the difference there. It's taking way too long to just get this done here. So I'm gonna have to call it a day, and I still have all this to do and see when I can rent a different power washer with a different head that would help me get all of this done. So on that note, I'd like to say thank you for stopping by. My name is Juice. I don't think I mentioned it early on. And welcome to Serenity Trezzo. I appreciate the visit. I appreciate all those who've liked the video and who's let me a comment. So please, don't forget to subscribe and let me know how I'm doing and continue to watch my progress. Until next time, bye and have a fabulous day. It is awfully beautiful here today, and I was trying to do as much as I can, but I'm going to have to call it quits. Thank you again. Bye.